Well, I appreciate it. Trion scored the most points against us all year, and they did some real impressive things against us. I thought they did a real good job of dribbling, dribble penetration into the lane, and we didn't do a good job stopping that. And like I said, the most we've given up all year was 40 points, and they scored, 60 or 62 points. So I thought they did a real good job. We've got a lot of offensive weapons, but defensively I thought we didn't do a very good job trying to stop Trion. Tomorrow's going to be a tough game. Woodland's got a very good team. We know a lot about them. We've got returning MVP of the tournament last year, and Greg Murphy was All-State last year, and R.J. Williams was All-Tournament. So it's going to be a tough game tomorrow.